Drawing every day is more than just a routine. It's a transformative journey that can significantly enhance your artistic skills and boost your creativity. Committing to regular practice is crucial because it allows you to experiment, learn from mistakes, and gradually improve your technique. It's like building a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. From my own experience, drawing daily has been a game changer. Early in my career, I struggled with consistency and felt my skills were stagnating. It wasn't until I made a conscious decision to draw every single day that I began to see a marked improvement. Some days I would sketch simple things around me, like a cup on my desk or a tree outside my window. Other days I'd challenge myself with more complex compositions. Over time, these daily sessions not only enhanced my technical skills, but also deepened my understanding of the subjects I drew and generally gave me more confidence when I would sit down to draw. Creatively, daily drawing keeps the mind agile. Regular practice brings a flow of new ideas and helps develop a personal style. It's like keeping a tap open. The more you draw, the more your creativity flows. On a more personal note, this routine has become a meditative and therapeutic part of my day. It's a moment when I can tune out distractions and focus on the pure joy of drawing and not caring if I make mistakes with it. In this video, I'll share strategies and tips to help you integrate drawing into your daily life, making it a rewarding and enriching habit that opens up new avenues of expression and personal growth. Establishing a daily drawing routine is fundamental to developing your skills consistently over time. To begin, setting realistic goals is essential. Take some time to think about what you want to achieve with your drawing practice. Are you aiming to improve your technical skill, explore new styles, or perhaps prepare a portfolio for a professional opportunity? By defining clear, achievable objectives, you can maintain focus and measure your progress effectively. Once your goals are set, the next step is to integrate drawing into your daily routine. This involves creating a schedule that aligns with your daily activities and commitments. Consistency is key, so choose a time of day when you can commit to drawing without interruptions. This could be early in the morning, before starting your day, during a lunch break, or in the evening as a way to unwind. By breaking your practice into manageable segments, you can make drawing a natural and enjoyable part of your day, ensuring steady progress towards your artistic aspirations. Deciding what to draw each day can sometimes feel as challenging as the drawing itself. To keep your practice fresh and engaging, here are some strategies for generating ideas and maintaining your creativity. To continuously fuel your creativity, employ techniques such as brainstorming and using prompts. Set aside a few minutes each day to jot down whatever comes to mind without judgment. This could include random thoughts, visual images, or words. Alternatively, drawing prompts can be a great tool. These can be found in books, websites, or even apps designed specifically for artists. These prompts often provide a starting point that can lead to more elaborate and inspired works. You can also participate in themed challenges. They're another excellent way to maintain a daily drawing momentum. These challenges can provide a structure and community support that can be very motivating. For example, you might choose a theme for each day of the week, like nature on Mondays, urban scenes on Tuesdays, and portraits on Wednesdays, or set a theme for each month, such as Inktober, where only ink is used. These themes not only challenge you to think creatively, but also help in exploring and mastering different subjects and techniques. Also, drawing from life is one of the most valuable practices for any artist. The benefits of observational drawing are immense. It provides a way for you to improve your eye for detail. It enhances your understanding of light and shadow and builds your ability to capture the essence of whatever it is you're looking at. Start by choosing simple objects around you or scenes from your daily life. You could sketch your morning cup of coffee, a pet, or a park you visit. The key is to draw regularly from your environment, which will not only improve your technical skills, but also help you develop a personal style and perspective. Also, every artist faces challenges. In maintaining a consistent drawing practice, here's how to navigate some of the most common hurdles like lack of motivation, frustration with progress, and finding time to draw. Staying motivated can be tough, especially when progress seems slow or inspiration fades. To keep the excitement alive, set small, achievable goals that lead to a sense of accomplishment. Celebrate these victories, no matter how minor they may seem. Another effective strategy is to vary your subjects or mediums to keep your practice fresh and engaging. Joining online communities or local art groups can also provide encouragement and inspiration, as sharing your work and seeing others' creations can reignite your passion for drawing. Also, finding time to draw can be challenging, especially with a busy schedule. To overcome this, try integrating short drawing sessions into your daily routine. Even just 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a significant difference over time. Consider carrying a small sketchbook with you to use during downtime, like while commuting or waiting for appointments. Now, I want to talk about enhancing your skills when you start drawing every day. As you settle into a routine of drawing daily, continuously enhancing your skills is key to keeping your art fresh and engaging. Here are ways to diversify your artistic expertise, seek constructive feedback, and pursue ongoing learning. Diversifying the media you use can significantly expand your artistic capabilities and refresh your creative outlook. If you typically draw with pencils, try incorporating inks, charcoal, or pastels into your work. Each medium has unique properties and can affect the style and mood of your drawings. For example, charcoal allows for dramatic, high contrast pieces, while inks can bring precision and boldness to your artwork. Exploring different materials not only keeps your practice interesting, but also helps you discover new forms of expression. The journey of an artist is one of continuous education. To further your skills, take advantage of the wide range of resources available. Look for books that dive into techniques and theories of drawing. Online courses and tutorials can also offer guidance and new techniques, often providing a step-by-step instruction that you can follow at your own pace. Additionally, workshops and classes in person, whether local or online, provide not only learning opportunities, but also a form of interaction that is really valuable to growing as an artist. Finally, I want you to reflect on your progress and stay inspired as you start learning how to draw every day and grow this habit. As you integrate drawing into your daily life, taking time to reflect on your progress and seeking inspiration are crucial steps to maintaining your artistic journey. Regularly reviewing your work is essential for recognizing your achievements and areas for improvement. Set aside time each week or month to look back at the drawings you've completed. Notice the developments in your technique and style, and celebrate these milestones. No matter how small they may seem, keeping a visual diary or a digital portfolio can help you see your evolution over time, providing a tangible sense of progress. This practice not only boosts your confidence, but also helps you pinpoint specific areas where you might want to focus more intention on in the future. And keeping your passion for drawing alive involves continuously seeking new sources of inspiration. Connect with other artists by attending workshops, participating in art shows, or joining online forums and communities and workshops and social media groups. Sharing your work and experiences can open up new perspectives and spark ideas for future projects. Engaging with the art community not only enriches your artistic practice, but also keeps you motivated and connected to others who share your passion for drawing as well. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.